Hey, Jesse here at Chrome Glow. Another installment here. We're showing off some new products from Kuriakin. These they call their Tracer LED fairing lower grills. What they do is they replace the grill that comes on your lower fairings on the 14 and up touring models, all your Road Glides, your Limiteds, your Ultras, the CVOs, and everything. As you can see, it all comes with these plug-and-play connectors, so it's really super easy install. You know, we got the ones with the chrome grill we're going to light up for you, and we also have them with the black fascia as well, so you can, you know, line it up with how your bike is already themed out, whether you get more chrome or you get more black, or even if you got a mix, you can mix it up a little bit better. One of the things I really like about these lights, let me turn them on for you, is it gives you a nice really bright white running light. And this gives you, what this is going to do for you, it's going to give you a couple of lights down low, and that gives you that triangle effect that guys are really looking for to set you apart on the road, so that people really see you coming down the road and they know there's a motorcycle out there. So you know it's a lot safer once you get these installed. These are really impressed with this design too, because as you can see, the white lights are really bright, and you know, it's really simple. You just snap out the old one and snap in the new one, run your wires up into the fairing, everything plugs in right inside of there. And one of my favorite features about this is, if Angel, you switch sides with me, you do here, you can see once you hit your turn signal, it's going to blink amber for your turn signal. So now you got an extra turn signal out there that's nice and bright, and it has a built-in timer, so when you turn your turn signal off, it comes right back to the white running light. It's a really nice product, something quite bright, get you visible coming down the road. And you can find it at chromeglow.com. You can make your installs there, give us a call, and if you like this video, follow us on Instagram and see more great things from Chrome Glow.